Good morning everyone. Today in this video I am going to discuss about the cartilage, and this question is asked in the anatomy exam for 3 or 5 marks. Now we see from this book, that is General Anatomy. Okay, so the definition is cartilage is a connective tissue composed of cells. Which cells? That is chondrocytes. So it is a connective tissue which composed of cells, chondrocytes and fibers. Fibers kaya? So the collagen fibers or the yellow elastic fibers, which is form and gel-like matrix material and which is rich in mucopolysaccharide. Okay, and it is much more elastic than the bone. Bone જે છે આપણે rigid છે, hard છે, not elastic, but the cartilage which is elastic. So you have to write down about the definition, then some general features. So that is, cartilage has no blood vessels or lymphatics. The nutrition of cells diffuse through the matrix. The second point, cartilage has no nerves. So remember, cartilage has no blood vessels, no nerves, no lymphatics. So therefore it is insensitive. અંડરસ્ટેન્ડ, કારણ કે આપણને જે પણ સ્ટિમ્યુલસ મળે નર્વ થ્રુ, આપણને રિફ્લેક્સ આર્ટ થ્રુ આપણને ફરીથી મોટર સિગ્નલ મળે, બરાબર, તો આપણને સેન્સેશન ફીલ થાય, બટ કાર્ટિલેજ ઇઝ નો નર્વ્સ, સો દેર ઇઝ ઇનસેન્સિટિવ. Cartilage is surrounded by a fibrous membrane called as perichondrium, which is similar to periosteum in structure and function. Then, when cartilage calcifies, the chondrocytes die and the cartilage is replaced by bone-like tissue. Okay, cartilage જ્યારે calcification થશે તો જે chondrocytes છે તે die થશે and the cartilage replaced by bone-like tissue. So this is about the general features regarding the cartilage. Now the comparison between bone and cartilage. Sometimes difference asks for 3 marks only. Okay, define the difference between bone and cartilage. So bone is hard, whether the cartilage is firm or soft. Then bone matrix has inflexible material called ossein, and the cartilage has chondroitin providing flexibility. Bone matrix possesses calcium salt, whether the cartilage calcium salt is not present. Bone has rich nerve supply, cartilage has no nerve supply. Bone is vascular in nature and cartilage is avascular in nature. Bone marrow is present in bone, bone marrow is absent in cartilage. Growth is only by apposition, that is by surface deposition, and here growth is both appositional and interstitial, that is within part and appositional part. So this is about the difference between the bone and cartilage. Now the types of cartilage. So we have 3 types: hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage and elastic cartilage. Here in this diagram, this is the hyaline and elastic cartilage and this is fibrocartilage in intervertebral disc. Now what is that? So this chart is given for 3: hyaline cartilage, fibro and elastic. Now the location. So hyaline cartilage in the articular cartilages of long bones, epiphyseal plates, nasal cartilage, thyroid, cricoid, most of the adenoid, trachea, bronchi and costal cartilage. This is the place where the hyaline cartilage is present. Remember these places: thyroid, cricoid, trachea, bronchi, some. Okay, then fibrocartilage, which is present in intervertebral disc, you can remember this. Then TMJ and sternoclavicular joint. Elastic cartilage, which is elastic in nature, that present at vocal process, the auditory meatus, in the pinna of the ear. Okay, so these are some places where the elastic cartilage is present. Now the color. So hyaline cartilage bluish white color. Then fibrocartilage is glistening white. Okay, thoda chamakta hase. And the elastic cartilage, which is yellowish in color. Appearance: shiny or translucent. Fibrocartilage is opaque. Elastic cartilage is also opaque. Fibers very thin. Fibrocartilage is numerous white fibers and elastic cartilage, that is numerous yellow fibers. Elasticity. So the hyaline cartilage is flexible Mostly the cartilage is flexible. Okay, then fibrocartilage is more firm, strongest, and the elastic cartilage is more flexible or the most flexible. Now this point, cells. So maximum cells present in hyaline cartilage, fibrocartilage minimum squeezed between fibers, and in elastic moderate cells is present. This is about the comparison between three cartilage, that is hyaline, fibro and elastic. Okay, in this diagram, see, first one is hyaline cartilage. So fibrous layer of perichondrium, chondrocytes lucena, and cellular layer of perichondrium, and it is shiny in nature. Then second is fibrocartilage, so no perichondrium and opaque. And third is the elastic cartilage, that is elastic fibers is present, cellular layer of perichondrium, fibrous layer, and chondrocytes in lacuna. So this is all about the cartilage.